Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off your iPhone location tracking, right? Okay, are you on a hideout or you are in a particular location whereby you don't want your spouse, your boyfriend or your girlfriend or anyone around you to actually track you through your iPhone, right? So I'm going to show you step by step how you can turn these settings off. I told you guys I'll be bringing a lot of updates on apps based on iPhone and Android for you guys. So let's head to the video. So what you will do is you go to the settings, you go to your settings and you go to privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security, then location service. I hope you can see that here. So when you open location service, you will click on share my location, right? So I'll tap on share my location, and as you can see, this share my location is actually on, and this is the only way like someone can actually track me. So once I turn this off, that person won't be able to track my location. So if I am on a hideout or I don't want anybody to know where I am, or maybe I'm running from my spouse, family or any other thing, then this will help me to stay safe.